Okay, students. So now we are going to start a mock interview for our student Priyanshu Bes, and this interview is for DRDO. So, Mr. Priyanshu, first of all, you introduce yourself.
Myself, Priyanshu West. I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. It is also referred as a Nath Nagari. It has a famous place known as the Ala Hazrat Mosque. And in my family, I have 6 members. My father, mother, me, and one elder brother, and two younger sisters. My father is a businessman and my mother is the housewife. I'm schooling from BPCL Public from Working Stock Technology in B.Tech in Computer Science branch.
Your video is paused. Network issue is there, I think. Yeah.
Currently, I am doing job in Byju's exam prep as a GATE content associate.
Okay. So, why do you want to join DRDO?
Sir, as the DRDO is the biggest and most diverse organization, it is a great place to work along with the best mindset of the country. Uh, and in this organization, the superior encourage the junior a bit more extent as they know.
So, you
And
are
I
from
think,
CSE background, right?
yes, sir.
And you are working on some content development.
Yes, sir. GATE content.
So, GATE content on what subjects?
So, C programming, algorithm, data structure, operating system, and database management.
Okay. So, you make questions.
Yes, sir. I make question and short notes and articles also. I also write.
Okay. So, you are not happy with your current job role?
No, sir. I am happy with the current problem, but the growth in this is limited. As I want to research in the field of data structure and algorithm, but there is the specific to the GATE content only.
Okay. So what are the latest technologies, latest areas in the field of computer science?
The latest technology is the quantum computer. On research is going on the quantum computer to build it, and some robots also doing the research in the organization.
Suppose we recruit you.
Yes, sir.
So in what latest field you would like to work?
Sir, in the area of algorithms, where we need to solve the hardest problem in the
So in algorithm, is there any use of calculus?
sir, in algorithms, sir, we need to use the some extent the calculus so that the algorithm we can write so machine can do the work.
Okay. And are you comfortable with algorithms used in machine learning also? Hello? Priyanshu? हेलो प्रियांशु.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मशीन लर्निंग के बारे में सुना है आपने?
Sir, I heard about machine, but I have not enough knowledge of.
We use many algorithm there also, na?
Yes, sir. In there we use the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, sir, the data on which we are operating it.
Okay. And you are working on data structure.
Yes, sir.
Do you know pandas in Python?
No, sir. I know.
So latest trends, you are not working on latest trends. You are
Yes, sir.
working on conventional things, right?
Yes, sir.
Any information about blockchain?
No, sir.
No idea.
No idea.
Cloud computing?
The cloud computing is the in where we save the data something virtually on the server, and from there we use it.
Okay. Anything else?
So we also store, sir, some virtual machines also to virtually create the environment for the uh, system to operate it.
Okay. Okay. Aman sir, you can continue. Aman sir. Rasika ma'am.
जी. So Priyanshu, can you tell how will you design a self-driving car?
I have no idea.
You heard my question, right?
Yes, ma'am, I heard your question.
Hmm.
I have no idea.
Okay. Can you think anything related to that? That what changes can you bring from a normal car to self-driving car?
Then in the self-driving car, first there's a AI system is there so that it can take the decision that where to speed up the car or where we slow or where the person comes from in front of it. This all thing is done by the machine learning, and in that we use the algorithm to take that decision regarding the situation that come while car is moving or driving.
Okay, what you told is correct. How will you replace the driver or how will you substitute it?
Then we have a spy very chip on which we have to code it so that according to the algorithm that we feed, it takes the decision of we have to write the algorithm on the spy very chip to take to remove the driver from the car, and it take the decision automatically. AI system we have to maintain it.
AI system you are maintaining, that is fine, but that is a software solution, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But the driver is a person that we are able to see. So if you
Ma'am,
have to,
we have
yeah,
to put the sensor in the front of the car so that it can simulate or we use the radiation system that they catch up with what the object is. So when like the bat is at night, bat is flying, but bat has no eyes to see. But due to the radiation sound wave, the bat able to identify that what object is front of him. But in similar manner, the car is also doing the same. Car has not eyes, but due to the radiation, it catch the obstacle what is front of the car or where have to car has to stop. We have to code according to that.
okay, which radiations bats use?
Ultraviolet radiation.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, even if you're using ultraviolet, so do you think that is it a great idea to use it in cars?
Ma'am, it not have great idea because ultraviolet is very harmful for the humans human being. So we this is not a good idea. We have to use sensor in the place of radiation the wave as it harm the human beings.
Which sensors can you use? Any idea?
And motion sensor.
Motion sensor in the sense, which motion?
Exactly, I will not know.
Okay, and how will the car move automatically?
Ma'am, in the ma'am, on the as I know, as I said, the on the chip we have a on off condition according the algorithm. When the algorithm when the algorithm say to take move the car or give the command to the system, then automatically engine is start so that the car will move. I think.
What was your project in B.Tech?
Ma'am, it is bank management system in core Java using SQL.
Which database did you use?
And SQL, MySQL.
MySQL. Okay, so can you write the queries?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my question is, write an SQL query in which, okay, I will write it. Better to use the chatbots. Okay. You have an employee table which has
Ma'am,
one ID.
can I write?
Yeah, yeah. I am writing in the chat box, but it will take some time.
Okay, okay.
He has an ID, some date of birth, that which is fine. So you have to fetch all the employee IDs which are older to any of the other employees.
Then in chat box I have to reply or while
No, no, no. You can just write it on any notebook and you can show on the camera, or if you get comfortable, you can write on the chat box also.
then we have to fetch IDs, ma'am.
Yeah, write a query that can fetch the employee IDs that are older to any employer.
Ma'am, DOB is the one की atomic field, na?
Yeah, atomic. It will contain in DD, MM, YY format. It is a string variable. Okay.
Then DOB is
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
Uh, can you speak?
yes, ma'am.
Select star from.
Ma'am, select E dot ID from the employee as E, then again employee as P, cross product both the table, and then search for the E dot DOB, which is greater than the P dot DOB.
This is a string, right? This is date of birth.
I'm not known for this.
You are finding the ID of which one? Can you speak one more time?
Ma'am, for my select E dot ID in first table, E dot ID from the employee as E, and then again
Hmm.
employee as P, where
Hmm.
E dot DOB is greater than P dot DOB.
Okay. So I told that we have to find the employees that are older to any of the employees. And can you like, I think you have done the opposite thing.
So ma'am, get ma'am E dot. I am fetching the ID date of
See,
birth
in our case, if a
for
person who is born in 1962, we have to get that thing, right? A person who is born in 1963, that number is more, but that person
okay,
is
okay.
lesser
Ma'am,
in
go
age,
less
right?
than. Okay, ma'am, we have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
fetch for the less than. My confused before greater than I have simply put the lesser than symbol, but I confused in older.
Okay. Over to you, Aman sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Uh,
Good
so
afternoon, sir.
Priyanshu, can you explain what a dangling pointer is?
The dialing pointer is a pointer where the memory location has been free, but in the subsequent program, we again pointing to that pointing to that address.
Okay.
Suppose, sir,
Yes, yes, go on.
suppose there is a S1 a pointer pointing to some memory location, and we free it. Then again we have to access it to another program. Then this calls the dialing pointer.
Okay. Uh, can you explain what will be the order of steps that you will take in order to insert a node in linked list?
And listen the front or the end last.
In the middle. Let's say at the fourth position.
While communicating or we I can write the then I show you.
Okay. Uh, just write down the steps which node which connection you will break or you will make first,
Okay, sir.
like the order of them.
Sir, first of all, we go to that fourth node there where we want to insert while
Okay.
using the while loop next null.
Okay.
Then
After reaching there, then what will be our next step?
okay, sir. I'm writing then I tell you. Sir, at fourth position, yeah.
Hmm.
Sir, in the sir, I am on the third. If you want to insert at the fourth node, we have to point to the third node, and
Okay.
one is the new node. Now P dot next, the third node next, we copy to the new node next, and then P node next will update to the new node address.
No, sorry, can you repeat it again?
The P is the pointer pointing to the third node, and
Okay.
one is the new node that we want to insert.
Okay.
In a new node next, we put the P dot third node next address. P
Okay.
dot next.
Okay. Got it. So can you, let's say that you have to find a cycle in the linked list. How you will find the cycle in the linked list? Using hashing.
So we find a node. So we take the address of the node and shift the inserting into the hash table. And if we get the again same address of that location, then we can say it is the cycle is there.
How you will, how you can say that you have got the same address or node address?
So by using the hash function that we use to store the linked list.
So how will you know that there has been a repetition?
Sir, hash position have the same.
Okay. Okay. If you want to find a cycle by using the best algorithm, which which algo you will use in order to find the cycle in the linked list?
Sir, we use extra space. Sir, we use the in node. We take one extra flag pointer, and we initially put all the zero. And while traversing, we doing it with replacing zero with one. And again, if we got the not got the zero and got the one, then we can say that there is a cycle in there.
Okay. And what if you have to find the start of the cycle in the linked list, that the starting node from where the cycle will start?
So first we have to go to that difference between. The two linked list in common or cycle from where cycle starts. That is the node I have to find.
There is a linked list, one
Yes,
linked
sir.
list, and you have to, and there is a cycle in it. Somewhere
Yes.
after, let's say that after 10th node, the cycle will start. So you have to
Sir,
find the address of that node. You are not given the length of the linked list, and you have been not given anything about the cycle. So how will you find it?
first, sir, we take two pointers. One
Okay.
is the one pointing to the next node just, and one is double nexting.
Okay.
Then first of all, we find the cycle from there, and then we shift both the pointer one by one, and the place where we get the meet, that is the starting of the cycle.
Okay. Okay. So Priyanshu, let me give you your feedback. So Priyanshu, you थोड़ा सा मतलब रिवीजन की जरूरत है आपको इन चीजों में.
Yes, sir.
डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स में थोड़ा वीक लगा आपका मुझे.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो बाकी थोड़ा मतलब ऐसा भी है कि थोड़ा आंसर भी आप थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, कि मतलब जैसे आंसर में जब आप आंसर करते हो तो थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो, या आपको आंसर नहीं आ रहा, या आप गैस कर रहे हो. बाकी रिवीजन की जरूरत है. जैसे अभी आपको मैंने पूछा स्टार्टिंग नोड ढूंढना है उसका, सॉरी स्टार्टिंग नोड नहीं,
Yes,
साइकिल ढूंढना है. तो ऐसे नहीं है
yes,
1-0 वाला. उसमें एफिशिएंटली ये होता है कि दो पॉइंटर लो,
yes,
एक
sir.
को डबल स्पीड से मूव करो, एक को एक स्टेप मूव करो. यानी एक को हर बार नेक्स्ट करना है और एक
दूसरे
को
को डबल.
नेक्स्ट डॉट नेक्स्ट करना है.
Okay.
तो जब वो अगर साइकिल होगा तो वो जब घूमेंगे उस साइकिल में, तो अगर हर पॉइंट पे आप एड्रेस दोनों का चेक करोगे, नेक्स्ट और डॉट नेक्स्ट करके, है ना, जैसे डॉट नेक्स्ट और डॉट नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट करके, तो जब वो एड्रेस चेक करोगे तो जो अगर उसमें साइकिल होगा तो किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे उनका एड्रेस सेम आएगा।
यस सर।
आप किसी के साथ अगर सर्कल में भागोगे तो अब अगर आप उससे तेज भागते हो तो कभी ना कभी तो उसको पीछे छोड़ोगे ना,
यस सर।
और फिर जब उसको पीछे छोड़ जाओगे तो दोबारा घूम के फिर से एक बार उसको पीछे छोड़ोगे,
यस सर।
है ना। तो यही इसका कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जब आप साइकिल में घूमोगे तो अगर वो अगर मतलब साइकिल होगा और जो तेज घूम रहा है तो कभी ना कभी उसको वो दोबारा वो मिलेंगे एक पॉइंट पे। उसके बाद जो स्टार्टिंग नोड वाला है कि साइकिल का स्टार्टिंग नोड ढूंढना है, उसका क्या होता है कि मान लो आपके पास लिंक लिस्ट का स्टार्ट है, सेकंड नोड पे एक्स पॉइंटर डालोगे, मतलब कोई एक्स पॉइंटर डाल दिया या पॉइंट कर रहा है वहां पे कोई, और थर्ड नोड पे वाई डालोगे। उसके बाद फिर से वही दो स्टेप्स वाला कि जो वाई है वो 2 स्टेप मूव करेगा, एक्स जो है वो 1 स्टेप मूव करेगा, और ऐसे उनको चलाओगे, फिर वो साइकिल में जाके किसी पॉइंट पे मिलेंगे।
यस सर।
जिस पॉइंट पे वो मिलेंगे वो स्टार्टिंग नोड से उतना ही दूर होगा जितना कि मतलब जो पॉइंट पे वो मिल रहे हैं वो पॉइंट से अगर तुम स्टार्ट ऑफ द साइकिल जाओगे तो वो स्टार्ट ऑफ द साइकिल उतना ही दूर होगा जितना स्टार्टिंग नोड से स्टार्ट ऑफ द साइकिल दूर होगा।
ओके।
समझ रहे हो?
यस सर।
बाकी थोड़ा ध्यान दे लेना क्योंकि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स में मतलब मुझे लगा कि आपको थोड़ा रिवीजन की जरूरत है या वीक है थोड़ा।
ठीक है सर।
ओके, रशिका मैम, त्यागी सर।
Priyanshu, I asked that how will you design the self-driving car? So in that, actually, three main things are there. One is like we have to use some hardware components like camera or radar. So in that, you answered that bats will be used and they are using UV rays, but actually they are echoing, and we cannot use that technology anywhere in the self-driving car. Okay. And second thing which is computing, that you told that we will be using some AI algorithm, that part was okay. And the mechanical components which are generally used for the steering wheel or the accelerator or the brake, we can use like control electronics. That is the main thing. Okay. So three main things are there. One is perception, one is computer, and one is the control electronics. The main thing that has to be checked in such type of questions, that how are you thinking and how are you proceeding to such problems. Okay. So answers can be multiple. Only thing is how you are thinking, that is important. So in first attempt, you should never say that I don't have any idea. You should at least try. Okay. What you tried later on, you could have done that previously.
Okay.
जैसे कि आपने स्टार्टिंग में बोल दिया था आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया, सो यू कुड हैव started, right? This is not a question from your syllabus, you can at least try. And the SQL query which you wrote, it was correct. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Answer, I think in which you told, that was it very wrong, and it was like okay only. You should have tried in one go. That's what my point is. That you should not have said that I don't have any idea in the first attempt itself.
Okay.
Okay. Tyagi sir.
ओके प्रियांशु,
यस सर।
एक तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंस रखो अपना हाई।
ओके।
ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन कर लिया है तुमने तो तुम सोच ही नहीं पा रहे हो कुछ चीजें।
ओके सर।
और दूसरा, कंप्यूटर साइंस में हो तो लेटेस्ट जो एरियाज हैं उनके एटलीस्ट नाम तो तुम्हें सबके पता हो, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है बताने में। तो वो उसी वजह से, क्योंकि कॉन्फिडेंस एकदम घबरा रहे हो ना, नर्वस हो रहे हो, उस वजह से सोचने कम कर दिया है।
यस।
जो आजकल के फील्ड हैं भाई, उनके बारे में नाम लेने के लिए बोला मैंने सिर्फ, उसमें भी तुम 2 नाम गिना पाए मुश्किल से। सबसे पहले DRDO भी काम करता है ना लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज के हिसाब से।
यस सर।
तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में भी काम कर रहे होंगे वो,
यस सर।
ब्लॉकचेन में भी काम कर रहे होंगे, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, जितने भी एरियाज हैं इन सब में काम कर रहे होंगे। तो सबका एटलीस्ट ब्रीफ आइडिया ले लो।
ठीक है सर।
पूछ सकते हैं तुमसे किसी के बारे में भी ना, ब्लॉकचेन के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं, मना नहीं कर सकते तुमसे डेप्थ में नहीं जाएंगे, लेकिन क्या है वो हल्का सा आइडिया तो लो उसका।
ठीक है सर।
तो ये यही काम कर लो मेन। बाकी सब्जेक्ट वाइज रहेंगे जो टॉपिक वो तो ठीक है, डाटा स्ट्रक्चर से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे अंदर से, ठीक है, प्रोग्रामिंग के ऊपर कोई पूछ सकते हैं, एल्गोरिथम कोई पूछ सकते हैं किसी भी चीज के लिए। उसके अलावा जो जनरल, जिसको हम एचआर में भी काउंट कर सकते हैं, वो तुमसे इन एरियाज के ऊपर कुछ जानना चाहेंगे, तुम्हारी अवेयरनेस, तो उसको वर्क, उस पर वर्क करो, उसको प्रिपेयर करो थोड़ा सा, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
बाकी तुम्हारा लॉन्ग टर्म कैरियर ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, थोड़ा एक दो क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी बन सकते हैं, ज्यादा टेक्निकल रहेगा, और जो टॉपिक्स करंट में है उनके ऊपर तुम्हारी नॉलेज, उसके ऊपर, ठीक है। जो लेटेस्ट डीआरडीओ ने कुछ चीजें बनाई हैं अभी, उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाओ, देखो क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट उन्होंने बनाए हैं, थोड़ा उनका आइडिया लो,
ठीक है सर।
पूरी वेबसाइट को अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ो, और जो
ठीक
भी
है।
अनाउंसमेंट्स उन्होंने लेटेस्ट चीजें की हैं उन सब के बारे में ब्रीफली थोड़ा आइडिया लो।
ठीक है सर।
ओके,
ठीक है।
चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर।
इंटरव्यू में घबराने की जरूरत नहीं होती है।